Hi everyone, welcome to Organic One Lab. You can access the syllabus from eCampus. I also sent the syllabus by email. What you need for the lab is the Cengage package in case you are taking Organic One. This is the same package that you have purchased. You also need Top Hat. And again, we are using this for Organic One course. So if you purchased that, no need to purchase it again, but you would need to subscribe for the course though. So for this Engage Unlimited, you would need this package, and in order to purchase the package, all what you need to do is go to links to ebooks and our assignments and just hit on any of the icons of the Cengage. These are the icons of the Cengage. And once you do that, it will direct you directly to the purchase. Now, in case you purchase that, for Organic One, all what you need to do is just register for the course and nothing much. You have a 7-day free trial as well with this one. So make advantage of this before you pay by the end of the of day number 7. So that is regarding Cengage. And there's Cengage. And Cengage, you're going to do your pre-labs with Cengage. So that is Cengage. Now, what you also need is Top Hat subscription. And for the Top Hat subscription, I sent you all an email for the course code. So this is the course code, and this is the code that you would need to put when you are signing in for the course. So this is specifically for the lab part, not the course part. It is for the lab part. So all what you need to do is just copy paste this website in there. It will direct you directly to the course page, and then all what you need to do is just to join the course. And in case you paid for Organic One, no need to do anything for the lab. It's just going to automatically join you for the course. Pretty much these two are the platforms that we need. Now, we also need Beyond Labs. And Beyond Labs is once we once we finish the techniques, and then we start the labs. If you look at the structure of this course, the structure of the course is first techniques. So we're going to introduce the techniques, which is crystallization, extraction, distillation, chromatography, and melting points. These are the techniques for performing organic experiments. Once we are done from those, starting from experiment 7 through 12, we're going to use Beyond Labs for those. So no longer you're going to be watching videos. I will actually be doing an actual experiment for experiment 7 through 12 through Beyond Labs. So you have time to prescribe for Beyond Labs. And in order to do this, all what you need to do is just go into the Beyond Labs on eCampus web page and hit purchase, and then the package that we need is this package here. Okay, this is regarding the platforms that we are going to use. So as if you can scroll over the syllabus, this is going to be an online lab. And with online lab, I normally post some videos for you to watch, especially for the technique section. Now, all the labs, with the exception of the last week though, for the course, so all the labs will open on Tuesdays. And the way that we're going to do it is every week you will finish 2 labs. We have a total of 12 labs, and this is 6 weeks in there. You have no final. Labs are going to open at 9 on Tuesday, and they're going to close the following Monday at 11:55 p.m. The last week of the course, this is an exception in there because I believe that I'm going to upload the labs on Monday instead of Tuesday. and then the due date for the labs will be on Friday, which is the final or the last day of the semester. And that is the day of your final exam for the course as well. If you need any extension for these labs for the due date, please let me know ahead. Do not wait until the due date passes. Let me know ahead so that I can plan that and I can extend the assignments, the due date assignments for you. So a typical lab will be you're going to go to eCampus for every single lab. So this is what you're going to do. Let's go over here. So you're just going to go to eCampus. So for example, for the first week, you're going to see the two labs. You're going to see lab 1 and lab 2. And with lab 1, there's the list of stuff that you would need to do in there. And lab 2 also, there is a list of stuff that you would need to do. So with lab 1, for example, you just double click on that, and there will be an OWL assignments that you would need to do, two of them. So you would need to do pre-lab assignment 1 and 2. You just go ahead and hit on this. And once you do this, then it's going to take you directly to the pre-lab assignment in there. And these are the assignments, assignment pre-lab 1 and the pre-lab 2. Now, because I'm an instructor, it's not going to take me directly to the assignment, but I believe that it will for you. So these are the two assignments for experiment 1, and then you're going to have an assignment for experiment 2. These are the three that you're going to be seeing for the first week, okay? And then you will have a top hat assignment as well. So for the first experiment here, please read whatever material you are assigned to read before you go ahead and you complete any post in the pre-lab assignments. So you have to read a chapter 1 and you have to read a chapter 2 and then go ahead and complete their pre-lab and post-lab assignments for both OWL and top hat. Same thing for the crystallization. Now, for the crystallization, this is a very important technique in organic, and we use it normally to purify solids. So every time you are doing a reaction and you get a solid product, the solid product is not pure. So you have to purify it by crystallization. I want you to read the chapter, please. Once you read the chapter, then there are certain videos that I want you to watch. Now, these videos are not repetitive. In each of these videos, there is a technique. There are informations that I want you to know. This is why I want you to watch all of these videos in there. It's around like 5 videos in there, and there's also an illustration that I want you to watch before you go ahead and you work your pre-lab assignment and your post-lab assignment on top hat. Pretty much this is it so here you go. So pretty much this is it. Let me see if there's anything else that I would need to mention here. Pretty much that's it for first 2 experiments. Now, of course, you will have quizzes in there because there is no final exam. So your grade is going to be based on multiple things. Your grade is going to be based on your pre-lab and post-lab assignments, which is the OWL activities. Your grade also will be based on Beyond Labs. Now, once you start with Beyond Labs, you will have a report sheet. You will have a digital notebook that you have to turn in for the steps that you use in your reactions. And then we will do quizzes in there. Now, the quizzes are going to be posted according to the schedule that you see over here. For example, the quiz 1 is going to cover experiments 1, 2, and 3. I'll make sure that these experiments are all graded before you go ahead and you do the quiz. The quiz normally is posted at 9 in the morning, and there's a specific day for that quiz. You have to complete it in the same day. However, I just gave you the free time to complete it between 9 a.m. and 11:55 p.m. All of these quizzes will be posted on time. Whenever they are posted, I'll go ahead and email you guys just to remind you that there is a quiz that you would need to complete. In case that you forgot about the quiz, you have to let me know because I'm not going to remind you. So you have to let me know after all these quizzes are a certain percentage of your grade. Okay. So this is regarding the quizzes in there. Now, once we are very close to experiment number 7, I'll go ahead and post a video on how to use Beyond Labs. So you don't have to worry about this until the coming weeks or so. Okay, so as I said, every week we are going to post 2 experiments in there, and there's a due date for those experiments. Stick to the due date. In case you cannot, let me know ahead, please. No final exam, and pretty much this is it for the lab section. If you have any questions, please let me know. Now, all the videos normally that I post, or the introduction videos in there, those I'm gonna link them as a YouTube link and put them on eCampus so that you can go ahead and watch.